আর তোমার সাথে আমার মনে হয় অনেক বছর বাসা যাচ্ছে
It's literally like half an hour.
half an hour back. Bro, আমার নাম Farhan Islam. Here's a bigger number. Let me find out how many names are here, okay? I'm gonna go into some numbers, don't react. Okay, me? 1, 2, 3, now two person to freeze customer. Facial expression changes, there are two names, okay? Bro, focus on the first name, single letter, okay? I'm gonna go in terms of vowels, don't react. Okay, look at me. A, E, I, U, when I say A, you move person, the second letter is in A, okay? Bro, the second name, third letter focus for, okay? I'm gonna go in terms of vowel, don't react. Okay, me? A, E, I, O, U, when I say A, smile, is a cute smile, okay? So the third letter is an A, okay? Second name. Bro, think of this name over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. Bro, again I have like, huh? Rafsan Shabab, Rafsan Shabab, Rafsan Shabab.
Yes.
Exercise.
Yeah. That's what she said on Wikipedia. This is so cool! Oh my god! How did you figure it out?
He's crazy, right?